So Ryan, how's it going over there?
You know, it's going really well. I'm really impressed with how well this works on this anodized trim.
Show me what you got going here on this piece.
So I've this section right here is what I've been working over. You know, it's a labor of love, but man, does it look so good when you're finished with it.
Now this up top hasn't been done yet,
Yeah,
right?
I mean,
Yeah,
you
so
look
you
at
haven't done that yet.
The oxidation.
But we move it down into here, and right in this area.
Yeah, it's starting to really shine.
Nice. Now, it's going to take a while, isn't it? Keep you busy for most of the day.
it'll definitely keep me busy. But you know, while I'm working on this, I happened to glance over at the windshield, and you've got some pretty prevalent scratches on the windshield here. It looks like from the wipers.
Let me see.
And check
oh,
this
yeah,
out.
I've noticed them before.
Yeah.
Maybe I can get them in the camera here. Oh, yeah, look at that. They go all the way across. That's kind of ugly, isn't it?
Yeah. I
Particularly when you're driving the car and the sun's hitting the windshield.
Yeah, or at night and it starts to diffuse that light.
Have you ever had any success getting those type of scratches out of a windshield?
I haven't. I wouldn't even know where to start.
Well, guess what? I got a surprise for you. I'm going to show you how we're going to get those scratches out of this 300 SD today using the same tool that you've been using to polish the aluminum trim. So when I developed my kit for getting these type of scratches out of the windshield, I knew I needed a high-speed tool. And you see a lot of videos of people using drills with the round pads, and you got stuff flying all over the place.
Yeah.
And yet the oscillations of multi-tool are 20,000, way faster than any type of round pad.
Yeah.
And it's a lot cleaner, as you'll see here. But it did require a different type of pad. I had to research a couple different types of pads. And then we had to come up with a compound. This is our compound here that would actually polish these fine scratches out of the windshield. Now, here's the test, okay? You need to remember this. If you're looking at your own car or somebody else's car, if you take your fingernail and can drag it across the scratches and it doesn't catch your fingernail, you're going to be able to get them out.
Gotcha. Okay.
If you have a scratch that catches your fingernail, you're not going to be able to get that scratch out with this compound and this tool.
Okay.
But you still may be able to clean the area around it. But these two streaks here from the windshield wipers, both of these are not showing any signs of being deep enough that we can't attack this with this kit. Now, the kit that I sell on my website comes with everything you're going to need to do this yourself on your own car, less the multi-tool. But if you already bought my kit to polish the anodized trim with the multi-tool, then you've got the tool.
Yeah.
So this is all you're going to need. So we're going to apply just a small amount of this special compound. You see I've taped it off here to kind of show the before and after. And then you want to work this around a little bit before you hit the power. Okay, now we're going to, all right. Now you let the tool do the work. Now you'll notice it won't take long before this compound starts drying out. So what I do is I add a little water, and you only need to add a little bit of water. So I use a hypodermic syringe like this, and I just put a couple of drops on there. And that will bring the compound back to life, so to speak, so I can continue to polish. All right, grab a rag. Look at that. Can you see the difference already?
Wow. Holy cow.
Now we're not done. We've got a little bit, out at the edges, but I'm going to go ahead and give you the tool here. I'm going to let you play with this. I want you to finish this area here and this area up here, and then for our viewers, we're going to come back and pull the tape, and they can see the difference.
All right.
Go for it. So what do you think?
This is amazing. The difference is crazy.
Well, you get the honors. Pull that tape off.
All right, I'm excited.
Let's see
for
if I
this.
can get the camera in there at the right angle to show the difference. What are you seeing there?
Wow, this is. You look at. Let me wipe this away here. Holy cow! Look at. I mean, just that swath that it cut through all of that.
You can really see it here. Like you say, that's pretty amazing. Are you impressed?
Yeah, I didn't.
Pretty cool to be able to do that on an old car, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I really thought that the only way you get rid of those scratches is to replace the windshield. So the fact that that can take those out is amazing.